Namaste everyone. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today we are going to do Pilates for lower and upper back. Let's start. Lay onto your abdomen. Feet about hip width apart. Hands on top of each other. Put your forehead onto your hands and let go for about 10-15 seconds. Preparing in your mind for today's practice. Then gently come up, extend your arms out, palm flat on the ground, forehead down. Then inhale, lift your head up, hands up, and try lift your hands as high up as possible. So give the stretch, compression around your upper back. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. You can also tuck your toe and see if this feels better. If you can push more higher. Inhale up. Exhale down. And interlock your fingers. We repeat the same. This time we are also lifting the legs up. Inhale, lifting your hands up, head, legs up. Exhale down 3 times. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. And bring the hands under your body. Chin forward. Then inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Now inhale, right leg up and drop the right leg to the left. Inhale up. Exhale, release. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, drop to the right. Inhale up, exhale down. Then inhale, lift your right leg up and support with your left leg, left foot. Exhale, release. Inhale, left leg up. And support with the right foot. Exhale, release. And take your hands back to top of each other and relax your forehead onto your hands. Then bend your knees, forehead down, hold your ankles. Inhale, lift your head up, legs up, chest up, stand onto your abdomen and breathe. Exhale down. Push with your hands and lay onto your back. Then bend your knee, bend your right knee. Hold with your hands. Inhale. Lift your head up, touch your forehead to the knee. Exhale down. Release the leg, chain the leg. Bend your left knee, hold with your hands. Inhale. As you exhale, touch your forehead to the knee. Exhale down. Let go of the legs. Shake your leg. Repeat the same with both legs, bending both knees together. Hold with your hands. Inhale. Very gently and slowly lift your head up. This time you want to take care of your back. In any case you feel discomfort anywhere, stop the practice. Stop this asana from doing. Inhale. Exhale. Lift your head up. Touch your forehead to the knee, or just try touching your forehead to the knee. Don't have to touch. Exhale down. Now we are going to use the core muscles to massage the spine, the back, by inhale, hold the breath, go forward, and dropping back, rolling back. So do that about 8 to 10 times. Good. This time try to balance. Lift the legs up. Bring the hands by the side. Keep your knee bent if you need to. Or you can try stretching the leg if possible. If not, keep the knee bent. And slowly, slowly you can improve. Stretching legs all the way out for Navasana. Now bring the hands on the ground. Interlock your legs like this. Lift onto your hands. Sit down one more time. Take support of your hands. Lift the legs up. Bend knee if you need to. Arms by the side. And you can try maybe one leg at a time. Stretching so that you can let your muscles know that we need to stretch the leg eventually. And very slowly roll back using your core muscles. Feet apart, hands apart, palm facing upward the ceiling. Let go. And feet together, hands up overhead, give a good stretch. Exhale and release. Take your time. Whenever ready, sit up. Gently open your eyes. Thank you very much, everyone, whoever joined me in today's session, and I look forward to see you in my upcoming sessions. Namaskar.